All right, folks. Let's find out the see what's in the 3.5-inch floppy disk reader. People usually like throw away or like selling it on through the eBay or Facebook, but it won't sell that much. Like it's pretty slow, and as you know, these days no one uses this floppy disk unless like they have their old disk and try to pull out some like data or their photos whatever, but no, not much. It's not much demand. So I got one of these flop disk reader from my neighbor. He brought me back of some electronics and all small items, such like if there's even phone charger, like the magnetic phone charger, and then the PC, the laptop docking system, and all kind of small stuffs. Even like I even seen Amazon the Fire Stick TV watching the little stick on. But anyway, let's find out what's in this floppy disk later. I'm pretty sure I believe that there might be some component test the gold in it, the plated. So I know it's pretty small amount of it, but what I'm doing is I'm doing this as hobby, so breaking this up and doing a micro scrapping and then for the future I said like benefit out of it. I save all the components that has gold or palladium or silver, whatever precious metal I can get. But I still don't know. I'm still learning. So I don't know how to. I, I don't know how to extracting those precious metal out of components. So I'm keep on learning. But I just like to share what's in here, so people, whether you guys scrapping this or just throw it away or recycling or whatever, you can make a decision. Okay, let's open it up. There was one screw, so I unscrewed already, and still not opening. So I believe there is no other screws. So I'm just gonna open it. Okay, it's open. As you see the visually, I see the gold ribbons. Okay, and then definitely I can have this. I'm gonna keep this cable for copper, so I'm gonna keep this in my copper box. There's a little bit of board, and there's oscillator, crystal oscillator, and then the ice chips. This has something in it, so I'm gonna keep it. The plastic, as I'm a personal scrapper. I'm an individual scrapper that doing as a hobby, so I have to trash all this like the things came out from this scrapping, trashing out properly by the waste management law. So this ABS plastic, actually they recommend to send it to the recycle center who does ABS plastic recycling. But in my local area, I can find this. So if I can find it, I can dump in the trash can. If there's no metal in it, so I'm keeping the plastic separately. And I see the few screws in here. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew this and come back. Hold on tight. All right, I took out a lot of little small screws. Let me open this up. what I'm trying to take off is it's a little tiny micro size brass or a copper on here. It might not be a copper, but it's yellow color, so I try to take it off, but won't. So I'm just gonna leave it. So let me take off this plastics. It goes into the metal box. There's no more screws. Oh, there's 2 more screws. Okay. What I can tell right now is yes, it's worth scrapping it. It's because I mean, personally, I like these ribbons, the gold ribbons. It's very tiny, small amount, but I like these ribbons, so I'm keeping all this, and also a couple of a little small tiny board. She's definitely got something on it. As like these scrapping things, you have to have a patience, and you have to spend the time to collect large amount of soccer board to get something out of it. So don't throw away even small one or big one. Don't matter. Even there's nothing in there, still keeping it because there might be something in there like or precious metal or some other stuff on there usually. Sometimes even copper. So spend your time. You gotta spend your time doing it. But one thing you gotta remember when you're doing this, follow by local waste management regulation when you trash those trash. I seen some people took out the board out of it, using like a hammer or something, and the trashing everything into the trash can. It's not proper way, okay? Okay, there's some gold ribbons. Even the backside of it metal, there's a little tiny ribbons on there. I'm still keeping this. I still some the little tiny motor has a copper in it, so I'm gonna put it in my the copper box. Taking off all these plastics. metal. The rest of them is all metal. Nothing much on here. Okay, and this one. Ooh, it's got things on it. Okay. Alright, oh. Figure out what it is. Looks like this is the magnetic. I'm gonna keep it as it is in my magnetic box. I don't know what to do with the magnetics, but I have a magnetic box, so I'll put it in there. And then there's I'm gonna scrap out all these coppers out of it. Is it copper? It is copper, right? Yes, it is. Hope it's not gold plated. I'm gonna do it little after this video in, okay? There's a little circle cup, the coppers wrapped around, and I see the IC chips on here, and the metal's behind, so I'm gonna take it up front. What the heck is this? It's just a metal board. I'm just gonna keep it as it is, because just bonded. I don't think it's bonded, but just metal as it is. Metal itself, and then with all the chips on it. I don't know how they made it, but let's keep it as it is. Alright, so as you see, there's not much came out, but still there's something, and then spend some time to get this out. I mean, some people say it's not worth, but I'm doing it as hobby. So just while I'm having a fun to doing this. I'm also collecting all stuff, some of these benefits. So I'm happy with it. Whatever it came out. I'm happy with it. So try one day if you have any electronics. If it's up to you. I mean, if you you're getting any joy from there, find any joy from there, then start it. You may try it. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, we found out what's coming out from the 3.5 floppy disk card reader. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.